Hi everyone. So in this video, we're going to discuss about for each loop. So enhanced version. So basically, we're going to use in traversing array or collections in Java. So it is easier to use, very simple, because we don't need of any increment over here. So no need to do the increment or the use of subscript. Subscript is not notation is not required here. That is the reason why we will going to use a for each loop. So let me show you the syntax in the program only. I will going to show you the syntax. So for each loop is my class name. Here what I will going to do, just I will going to write a small program. Let me take an array, something like integer. So array a name is a name as some array name as give something whatever you want it. Item, I will want to say item. So that is equal to I will want to initialize the value for array. So open the bracket, floor bracket. I can give some values 10 and 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. I can close this semicolon. So now we have created an array and having elements by elements. Now what are we going to do? Basically, we know that very clearly. For I will want to use the for loop here. For here, so I told you what we're going to do. Basically, syntax is like this: data type, data type. After that, what we're going to do? Create one variable for that particular data type, something like whatever you want it, something like I, and this I will going to traverse each and every index based on elements, whatever the elements you provided, and your array name. You have to provide the array name here. So that's it. So that is item. So this is how you want to create a data type. Data type is actually you can able to say it's an integer. That's why we want to provide an integer. It's an integer here. Now for loop, so we have to create a body. So body is created. Now everything is fine. Now what I want to do, I wanted to print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, this is an array name having the item, array name is item, and we created for, so it's an integer. So this is an integer, I is an integer value. Again, which elements we are printing, this array name, item elements we are printing. For that, what we want to do, so we want to write a statement here. Okay, so what I will want to do, I will going to say values are just I will going to say I. Now if I will going to run this program, because I will going to visit each and every index here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Basically, we will not going to use any kind of subscripts here. So I will going to visit 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. So let me run this program so that we can able to know whether it is working or not. Okay. So you can see 10, 20, 30, 40. This is what we call it as for each loop. So suppose we have integers here. What I will going to do, I will going to change it to string here. Change it to string. String items, whatever you want to give it, not a problem here. Something I will want to give something like sun. Again, here I will give something more. Again, here I will give earth. I will give all string values I am giving. Much. Again, I will provide GPT. Okay. So these are the names we have right now. So what I am going to do? So here now it is a string actually. That's the reason why we are getting an error here. So we have to change it to string here. See? String. So the data type is string here. Escapes please. That's the syntax. Now see here I wanted to print all this and all those things. If you want it, you can able to give the label also. The elements are the string string values are like this. Here you put like this. Now values are that is equal to, you make it like this. I do it, no problem. Not equal. Now what I'm doing, I'm printing a value just to check it now. Means before what we are doing, basically we are printing the numbers. Now I'm printing the value, printing the string values, sun, moon, earth, all those things. Let me run this program. See, the values are sun, moon, earth, Jupiter, all those things we are getting. So this is how we will want to do the for each loop. If you like it, please share and subscribe.